Hello, I am Ansuman Kumar Sinha, a final year student at Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology, Greater Noida, and I have connected with PinE from last 6 months, and I would like to share my experience with you. So before joining PinE, I had a very good knowledge of digital electronics and all the circuits and analogs, but it was only theoretical and I do not have that much depth in the hands-on experience, we can say. But after joining PinE, it's changed a lot. So this is the reason, that's why I have joined PinE. I got connected with PinE through my seniors, and they have arranged a seminar in our college where PinE Training Academy visited and explained about their modules. Then after I decided that I will join PinE to get hands-on experience and implement my knowledge on real-time projects and real-time scenarios. So I got connected with Vaibhav sir, and from last 6 months I have been here and working continuously on my digital knowledge and analog knowledge, and try to implement all the things with the help of schematic designing and Verilog programming. In PinE Training Academy, we are not here with only theoretical concepts and schematic part, but the circuits or the design that we have developed by implementing our knowledge or something. Sir guided us to make a schematic design and then implement the same design with Verilog codes as well. So it helps us in both the aspects, like in hardware and schematic part. From past 6 months, I have completed 3 projects. The first one is frequency divider, where we have converted a 100 MHz frequency to 1 Hz with the help of different circuits and counters. And the second one was complex LED patterns, where we have used different flip-flops to implement our project on FPGA boards. And the third one was signed calculator, where we can multiply -15 into 15 or division or any kind of addition and subtractions as well. And not only this, we have implemented that project on FPGA board. We have used Arctic 7 board, and after implementing that project on FPGA board, we got to know how things work, and we also get an experience to see our projects behaving in real time. And I'm very thankful to my institute, Noida Institute of Engineering and Technologies, and my seniors who guided us and helped me to join PinE Training Academy. And I'm very thankful to PinE Training Academy for their guidance and their help throughout my journey. And the seniors and the atmosphere is very good. The seniors are very helpful. I have connected with some seniors who guided me throughout how to clear concept if it is not able to understand, or I can understand the things. So they helped me a lot, and very thankful to Vaibhav Misra sir. He is very helpful and he helped me a lot. So this is my experience with PinE Training Academy and Noida Institute of Engineering and Technologies. So thank you very much.